So I'm here on the west side of San Antonio, Texas, and you are gonna love this story. Two immigrants, husband and wife team from Argentina, decide to open an empanada restaurant. First location, not so great. People don't understand empanadas, and they close. What do? They don't back down. Nope, they open up a food truck serving empanadas, and they do great. And that leads them to opening up a new restaurant. Oh, you're gonna love the story and love the food. This is Fat Tummy.
Ham and cheese and humita empanadas.
These are some of the best empanadas I've had.
Traditional with spicy sauce?
They're out of this world. It's a way of life in Argentina.
But not so much in San Antonio. What happened to the first restaurant?
They needed to know what an empanada was. They wanted tacos.
So Gustavo Plache and Nora Saleh took their empanadas to the street and won folks over, which opened the door to this place. Why do you call it Fat Tummy?
Because the empanadas are kind of fat. They're full, they're huge.
So we're gonna make the savory empanada dough?
Yes, flour,
Water, okay, and some salt.
yes,
Milk?
butter, egg,
And who taught you this recipe?
my grandmother.
To graduate school, you have to have math and history and empanada. So we'll mix this. How long do we let it rest?
45 minutes. And then,
Everybody knows what means. Start to sheet it out. Wait. That's a big empanada.
Yeah.
Not a little empanada.
no.
Nah. Fat tummy.
Fat tummy.
So what's the first empanada we're making?
Corn and cheese, but
Corn and cheese.
corn
But
and
we call it
cheese.
humita.
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 It's almost like a cream corn, just awesome.
This is the sofrito.
Yes, oil, onion,
Green and red bell pepper. Sofrito has such a foundation in Latin cooking.
salt, black pepper, red crucial pepper, garlic,
And oregano.
oregano.
How long is this gonna cook, chef?
7 minutes. Now,
Corn.
yes,
The sofrito we made, okay.
Parmesan cheese.
And mozzarella.
Yes.
That's it. And as long as we're at it, why not fire up another filling? Next, we're gonna make the spicy chicken.
A spicy chicken. Oil, onion, green and red pepper,
Little salt,
paprika, garlic, basil,
basil, okay.
oregano,
Black pepper.
cruise pepper.
Boiled chicken breast, you chop up.
Mix.
Tomato sauce, chipotle, and adobo. When you say spicy chicken, you mean spicy chicken. All right, so we let that cook.
For 25 minutes.
And now what is this?
Spicy chimichurri sauce.
Spicy chimichurri sauce. When I think about Argentinian food, I don't think spicy.
No, but the people right here like the spicy.
So you gotta bring the spicy.
Yes, cilantro, garlic powder, salt, egg.
Egg and chimichurri.
You try.
Okay,
Chile de árbol.
a lot of them.
Yes.
Now,
Garlic and parsley.
this is the craziest chimichurri I've ever seen.
Yeah.
Woo! It's hot. Wow! It's really good. It's gonna be awesome with the empanada. Now, this is a special press.
Yes.
Has your name, Fat Tummy.
And humida.
You make a different empanada, you
Yes.
put a different,
Yes, chicken pea de pollo.
just a little water to seal it.
Exactly. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
That's a lot of empanada.
It's
Let
done.
me see this thing. So heavy. That's an empanada. Now the spicy chicken,
The spicy chicken. Egg.
a little bit of egg. How long do they bake?
4 minutes.
4 minutes. There's the pollo, and I tried the humita first. Look at that cheese melting in there. Like a commercial. But just a little of the chimichurri on there. I don't even know why I just put that chimichurri on there. I know how hot that is. The dough is really good. The filling is fantastic, and the chimichurri goes with it perfect. And this is the spicy chicken.
Spicy chicken.
Love the little glaze on top. Fantastic. Look at the juice just running out of this thing. Not overly spicy. For anybody that hasn't had an empanada, this is where they need to start. It doesn't get any better than that.
Humita, spicy chicken.
The spicy chicken is excellent. Just hits the right spot.
The humita empanada has lots of cheese. It's very creamy.
Chimichurri is really good. It's very herby.
Beef and potato and ham and cheese ready.
You're a food blogger here.
Yes, sir.
People in San Antonio know good food.
Oh, yeah. We love our eat local scene, and these people fit right in there.
They're great people. I just enjoy them.
Chorizo and egg.
How many different empanadas do you make?
10.
How many are sweet?
3 sweet.
The guava empanadas.
The guava and cheese is excellent.
It kind of reminds me of like having fruit and cheese for dessert.
I've had this empanada before. I want to see how you make it. A little bit smaller, and the dough's a little bit sweeter.
Exactly.
Guava paste, I got you. Now the cream
Cream
cheese,
cheese.
and we mash it together. And the guava paste is a little sweet, little tang. What he's gonna do with this empanada is gonna be dynamite. Love these presses. Impressed. Little bit of egg wash.
Yes, and sugar.
We bake it 5 minutes?
No, this is 2 minutes.
A little sugar?
Yeah, careful, it's very hot.
You think so?
Yeah.
That's my jam right there. The savory sweet. The cream cheese, the tanginess, and the flavor profile of the guava paste, and the tender dough on the outside, the little caramelized sugar on top. That's an adult jelly-filled donut. This with some coffee?
Yeah.
Huh?
Here's the guava empanada for you guys.
It's a perfect amount of sweetness.
Deliciosa, magnífica.
It's something about this humble guy. That's why it tastes so great.
You're the example of the American story. Come to this country, work really hard, work with your family. That's why we do Triple D. Great job, man. Made me cry.